Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Women Over 50 Fitness. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you 5 of the best hip reducing exercises. We're going to do some great exercises and then finish off with a little bit of stretch at the end. Now, first things first, I like to place my hands onto my tummy and just breathe in gently for 3 and hold that engagement so then our core is nice and engaged. I like to stand up straight, shoulders nice and relaxed. And the first exercise we're going to do is a gentle squat. So I'm not wearing any trainers. If you are, that's fine too. But if you're not, just spread your toes out so you've got plenty of surface area on your floor. Bring our arms out and let's just squat down gently for 8. And when you do this, you also want to make sure that your back is nice and straight. So arms out, let's squat 1 for 8, engaging the core and also making sure that you are not having your knees over your toes. So just quickly check. Back nice and straight. Let's do this 3 more times. And when you come up, just really press in that glute. And release. Now the next exercise we're going to do is we're going to place our hands onto our hips. If you need some more stability, you can always hold onto a wall or even a chair. And we're just gently going to bring our leg out and down. And let's do this for 8. Remembering to engage the core. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And once we get to the 8th, let's just pulse for a few. Hold and come down. And let's do the same on the other leg. Again, you can hold onto a wall or a chair for a bit of stability. I like to place my hand onto my hip, engage the core, and let's just lift our leg to the side for 1. And you should feel it at the side here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and just hold. And let's just pulse slightly. Hold and then come down and just give it a little shake out. So the third exercise we're going to do is another squat now. So placing our legs slightly further out, let's come down and back up. Again, making sure our core is engaged, our knees don't go over our toes, and our back is nice and straight. So coming down, up for 1, 2, remembering to squeeze that glute as you come back up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's do 1 for luck and just let's pulse down for a few. And then just hold that and then gently come back up. And again, just give it a little shake. Again, if you want to on this next exercise to hold onto a chair or a supporting wall or a shelf, that's fine too. And we're going to lift our leg up, come back down and then lift it to the side. And let's do this 8 times, engaging the core, lift up to the side for 1. Sorry, the light keeps changing today. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 as an extra. And then on the other side, 1, 2, 3, remembering not to forget to breathe, 4, 5, 6, 7, think we'll do another one here just for luck. Up and across. And just give it a little gentle shake out. So our last exercise is another squat because it's so good for all round, but particularly the hip area. So we're going to place our legs further apart. We come to squat down. We're going to come up and we're going to just do a gentle twist to really help with this hip area. Let's do this 8 times on each side. Gently coming down, twist. 1, 2, 3. Remembering not to go too far over the toes. 5, 6, 7, and 8. And slowly come back up and just give it a little shake out. Let's just do a very gentle, light stretch to the side. So legs sort of slightly apart, and just gently bring your hip out if you like. Just gently fold in. Great stretch for the side here and the hip. And then come back up. And then you can take your hip out and just come all the way along. Another gentle stretch. And then come back up. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and these hip exercises really do help. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing for more content, and also a thumbs up, it really does help the algorithm, and comment down below. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay.